Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download Paramount Plus videos for offline viewing. If you're looking to watch your favorite shows and movies without an internet connection, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Download Paramount Plus video on mobile, iOS and Android. The easiest way to download videos for offline viewing is by using the Paramount Plus app on your smartphone or tablet. Steps: iOS and Android. Install the Paramount Plus app. Download and install the Paramount Plus app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Sign in. Open the app and sign in with your Paramount Plus account. Find the show or movie. Browse or search for the content you want to download. Download icon. When you find the video, look for the download icon, downward arrow, next to the episode or season. Select quality. Some content may allow you to choose the video quality, standard, or high. Download. Tap the download icon, and the video will be saved to your device. Watch offline. Once the download is complete, you can access your content in the download section of the app and watch it offline. 2. Manage your downloads, storage, and expiration. You can manage your downloads directly within the Paramount Plus app. Steps: open downloads. Go to the download section in the app to view all your saved videos. Delete downloads. To free up space, tap on the video and select Delete to remove downloaded content. Expiration. Keep in mind that some downloaded content may expire after a certain period or after you cancel your subscription. Always check the expiration date. 3. Offline viewing restrictions. While downloading content on Paramount Plus for offline viewing is convenient, there are a few important things to note. Device limitations. You can only download on mobile devices, smartphones or tablets, through the app. Not all content available. Some shows or movies may not be available for download due to licensing agreements. Regional restrictions. Offline downloads may not be available in all regions, so check if your location supports this feature. Conclusion. Downloading Paramount Plus videos for offline viewing is easy using the app on your mobile device. Just sign in, find the content, hit the download icon, and enjoy watching without an internet connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy watching!